If you're not a fan of pills or you have trouble taking pills and you're trying to get in some magnesium, these are the answer. Oh my gosh, so delicious. They are gummies, super soft, not coated with sugar, but just delicious. Soft and tasty, but not sugary, just delicious. These are magnesium glycinate gummies, centimeter review, with glycinate, malate, and citrate. 2 gummies is 1 serving. You've got 60 servings per container. So this is a 2-month supply, y'all. Oh my gosh. 2 gummies, 1 serving have 17 calories, 5 grams of carbs, 0 sugar, 20 milligrams of sodium, 20 micrograms of vitamin D3, 1.4 milligrams of vitamin B6, 16 milligrams of calcium, and 70 milligrams of magnesium, as 610 milligrams magnesium glycinate, magnesium malate, and magnesium citrate. And you've also got 20 milligrams of L-theanine. The bottle says gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, non-GMO from a GMP certified factory. They're absolutely delicious. I think they're a great way to get in your magnesium. Because we've got our treadmills, our weighted vests, our weights, and all that stuff, but you can't forget your supplements.